Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you 2 easy recipes and effective tips that will help you gain weight in the right places. During my skinny days, I went through stages where I didn't like to eat and later started eating a lot, but didn't add much weight because I was eating bad calories and also had a fast metabolism, meaning that my body processed the food really fast. I was called so many funny names, and even though that body got me some modeling gigs, I truly wanted to bulk up a little, and I finally did. So here's how you too can. These recipes are loaded with calories, and that's what you need to add weight. In order to gain weight, you need to eat more calories than you burn. Yes, I know you've probably heard that a lot, but it's the truth, my friend. However, the trick to a faster weight gain is to make sure you are consistent with your high calorie intake. Consistency is the key here. And to gain weight in the right places, you have to do strength training exercises so that you end up gaining more muscle than body fat. If you're a small eater, you'll add weight faster by drinking your calories, so the second recipe will be perfect for you. You can skip the bread and eggs, but make sure you make up for all the calories throughout the day by snacking on dried fruits and nuts, avocados, and any of the snacks I listed at the end of the video and also in the description bar below. Here I added only coconut oil just to show you that you don't have to use peanut butter all the time, but feel free to use both of them. I actually do sometimes. And in place of the raisins and dried fruits, you can also make use of frozen fruits and nuts. And also feel free to add a tablespoonful or more of peanut butter for extra calories. And for our friends who don't have time to eat or just don't like eating, this recipe is great for you. All you need to do is make it in bulk, pour it into a thermoflask, and drink it throughout the whole day. You can also add oats and frozen fruits to it for extra richness and calories. And to gain weight in the right places, you have to do strength training exercises so that you end up gaining more muscle than body fat. And like I said earlier, you can leave out the bread and eggs if you want to, but include it if you can, and your body will thank you. So now these are the recipes and tips, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know in the comment section below if you have any question or doubt, and I also love to hear your feedback. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit on that notification bell. It will help me a lot. See you in the next video. Bye bye.